I think data analytics has a profound impact on the world. Yeah, I think it ultimately helps us to truly capitalize on the potential that digitization has and really helps us getting to a better, more equitable, more sustainable world. Hey, I'm Gerrit. I'm the head of data analytics at Google, and I'm building services that process and analyzes large amounts of data. Data analytics is really about helping our customers to unlock the value from the data that they are having. So you can think about data like all of those secrets and hidden patterns that surround us every day. We want our customers to be able to understand them, see them, and ultimately harness them to drive business value for them, improve their customer experience, or ultimately just take better decisions quicker. The beginning of my career was in software development. I started as a junior software developer in a database development team and learned from the very first lines of code that data processing systems are awesome. I studied computer science at college, yes. One of the biggest lessons, though, of my life is that, learning is not an institution. Learning is an attitude. When you are at work, that of course, doing your job, but also having an interest in all of the areas outside of it and trying really to get a very broad skills profile because, once you progress in your career, you really draw on the breadth of your experiences, on the breadth of your knowledge, much more than on something that you have deeply specialized. So I think there is a big opportunity in learning broadly and widely, even outside of the regular career and work paths. I think the most important part is to really appreciate learning and appreciate what learning is. Learning is not applying, learning is not being proficient. Learning can be very frustrating actually, and it's hard. But once you understand that it's a hard and rewarding and sometimes lengthy process and accept that, you can make it, I think, really a part of your life and of your life experience in a very positive way. Data analytics and cloud really go hand in hand. Data is vast. There is no limit that we conceive to how big data can get. It's being generated every day. It's generated at increasing rates, and the cloud actually provides the capacity. It provides the systems that actually can store and process these vast amounts of data in an efficient and even in a conceivable way. So you do need both, right? You do need to have the digitization of everything, and you need the cloud as the foundational infrastructure to process that data. So I think rather than limiting to I want to learn one language or I want to learn one technology stack, I would really recommend learning and appreciating the breadth of Google's cloud. Feeling unprepared is part of the journey to growth. I think it's quite normal to feel unprepared or overwhelmed when you get into a new job or into a new opportunity. It's I think what everyone experiences, what I have experienced all throughout my career. And it's really the trigger point, right? It's basically telling you that, hey, here's something interesting. Here's something new to learn. Once you appreciate it for what it is, really growing yourself, it kind of, gets real fun and exciting.